There's something magical about arriving at camp just as the sun sets. The world transforms into something quieter, deeper. Oh, look at them! Wow! They're so playful! Get this shot! Chatter, trills, and howls from the monkeys. Listen, that's a blue jay. And there.
Don't move, look at his cheeks, so fully sizzy.
Listen, the forest comes alive at night. Those chirping sounds are the crickets and tree.
Under these ancient trees, beneath these same stars, countless generations have found peace and